Look, it's Carlos on salvia. I still feel all weird.
Oh, you dirty son of a bitch. Here he comes. Oh, shit.
Does that feel weird?
Half a circle this time.
Huh?
I don't feel it on this side. Hold on.
You don't feel the circle?
Not yet. I'll see it.
I feel weird.
Starting to connect now.
Like I was going down into a V.
Oh, I gotta take another hit.
No? You
No?
think you have to? I thought I had to, and I was about to do it, and then I couldn't hold it anymore. And then I couldn't hold the thing
it's
anymore.
connecting. I see. Oh, shit. How could that be?
Is it going into a V, like me?
That's kinda weird.
I was going in a
Like
V.
U,
Oh.
or maybe a circle.
I was going into a V to where my hair was poking me. The hair on my head was poking me.
That's the weirdest shit ever.
Are you falling into the
How
couch?
could that fucking be? I see that.
But are you falling into the couch? Are you?
No. Oh, that's the weirdest shit ever. Oh, hell no. How could that even be?
Is it poking you?
No. I don't know what the fuck.
What is
It's
it
not
doing?
poking me long. It's turning on, man.
Did you even take a big hit?
Okay. Or no, I don't know what it was. It was not. Oh, shit.
Why aren't you laughing?
Everything just did out loud. Oh, shit. How could that fucking be?
Listen to the music.
Oh, no, no.
It starts sucking you in, like, into the
Oh,
couch.
shit. Alright, now it's done.
Shut up.
Whew. Well, it's still a little bit there, but fucking, that was hardcore shit, huh? That was some hard shit. That was some hardcore shit. Damn it.
How did you act normal? I couldn't even talk.